The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia 3.1C for wireless. So the Nokia 3.1C is not for wireless, so this is like the lower end version of the Nokia 3.1 Plus that could be already offered on their services, so this is kind of like the lower end version of the phone. But yeah, so it's $139.99 for new lines of upgrades. So yeah, this is right there in front of you. It looks pretty nice. Guys have a front facing camera right here. Earpiece here. You have your Nokia logo right here, and you have your pill shape for Android Pie. So this Pie in there. It's available in just no I have it. So it's pretty cool, man. For color. Oh shit. Here's the one side. I think it's the left side. I don't see nothing on the left side. I don't see nothing. On the back of the Nokia 3.1 shade that I said, the camera can refresh in Nokia logo, cricket logo, and the speaker in the back. So yeah, I think the power button and RAM button are on the right side of the phone. Alright. So not a bad little phone for what it does, alright? So it says here the Nokia 3.16 smartphone has a perfect balance of design and features that equal value. Its large 5.45-inch HD plus display and a sleek, sophisticated design makes it easy to use with one hand, and hardened glass to minimize scratches. Even the beautiful sculpted rear case keeps it colored. The scratch to keep it looking new for a long time. The rear 8-megapixel camera sports value-packed features like motion photos that bring your pictures to life by capturing a short video clip a moment before you press the shutter button. Google Assistant, check your commute or the weather, play your favorite songs, or find this pics from the last trip, all with your voice. Add to that full HD video, a 5-megapixel front camera for having selfies, and up to 30 GB of storage to make sure you never miss a moment. That is a lot terrible for an affordable price. So specs on this phone are not too bad. This is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind, alright? So it has a 5.45-inch display, HD plus, with hardened glass. That's interesting. So it's probably Gorilla Glass, maybe, or Dragontail Glass. I think the resolution is 720 by 1440 pixels. So yeah, 8-megapixel rear camera with full HD video, 5-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls, up to 32 GB of user storage plus unlimited Google photo storage, large battery with up to 2 days of battery life, great Android features like Google Assistant, adaptive battery, and more for everyday convenience. Alright. Large 5.45-inch display, whatever resolution for a screen, but it is what it is, right? So it says that whether it be watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the large 5.45-inch HD plus display makes it easy to see in an easy-to-use size for one-handed use, with hardened glass to help avoid occasional scratches. High-res cameras. The Nokia 3.1C is great for capturing special moments with an 8-megapixel autofocus camera that supports HDR, motion photos, and panorama, and a 5-megapixel front camera that with square format for your social media uploads. To round it out, both cameras support 4K video and time-lapse mode for epic keepsakes. So that's pretty good. So both cameras have full HD, so full HD video, so it's not too bad for what it is. 2-day battery and good convenience. You won't be consistently looking for a charger thanks to the Nokia 3.1's 2-day battery performance. Google features like Google Assistant and Google Photos keep you organized and make your day easier, and adaptive battery learns how you like to use your phone, so the apps and services you don't use as much don't drain your battery. So there you go. It has Android Pie, like I said. It looks like it has like a stock Android built to it, so not too bad. The dimensions of the Nokia 3.1C is 6.01 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. The screen on this Nokia 3.1C, like I said, 5.45 inches HD plus, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 bytes of RAM, 128 gigabyte of microSD card expansion. It does have 4G LTE, which is good. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, Type-C charging, a win. Mobile hotspot, of course, which you did have to pay extra for that. And it has 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, better for 4K videos. 2 GHz quad-core processor, 2991 battery. So I don't know the processor, nothing. Probably Snapdragon processor. Y'all got some accessories for the Nokia 3.1C. They got something like the gel case and wallet case and all that. Y'all got thumb cases, screen protectors, and all that good stuff here. If you guys want to catch this for some y'all, guys can look on Amazon to see if they have them for the 3.1C. So y'all guys can check Amazon for that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia 3.1C is on a cricket wireless for $139.99. The C stands for cricket, of course. at&t prepaid also got this one, as well as the 3.1A for at&t prepaid. So there you guys go. Specs on this phone are not too bad. This is a budget phone, like I said. Specs on here are pretty good. This does have price, so that is it, one. So specs on here are not too bad. The phone looks very nice in my opinion. I didn't like the white color, looks very nice. It does have Type-C charging, LTE hotspot, and all that good stuff. So great job Nokia and Cricket for this one. So there you guys go, Nokia 3.1C, now available at Cricket Wireless for $139.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.